In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Microsoft Teams. Properly signing out of Microsoft Teams is a fundamental skill for maintaining your account security and effectively managing your digital presence. Whether you're using a shared computer, need to switch between different accounts, or simply want to end your session for the day, the process is both straightforward and quick. It's also a helpful step if you're troubleshooting minor application issues, as a fresh login can often resolve temporary glitches. We'll walk through each step clearly, providing context and tips to enhance your understanding. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently sign out of your Teams account whenever necessary, ensuring your information remains private and your sessions are always properly secured, regardless of whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. The very first step to signing out begins by locating your profile icon within the Microsoft Teams application. This icon is typically a circular image, often displaying your profile picture, your initials, or a generic avatar if you haven't customized one. You'll consistently find this profile icon situated in the upper right-hand corner of your Teams window. It serves as a crucial navigation point, acting as your personal gateway to all account-specific settings and options. Once you've visually identified this circular icon, your next action is simply to click on it. This single click will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, revealing a list of choices related to your account, presence, and overall application settings. Taking a moment to confirm it's indeed your profile helps prevent accidental actions, particularly on shared computers. After you've successfully clicked your profile icon, a comprehensive drop-down menu will instantly appear right below it. This menu typically contains various options, such as your availability status, direct links to settings, and help resources. Your primary objective here is to carefully scan through these displayed options until you pinpoint the Sign Out command. This critical choice is almost always located towards the bottom of the list, clearly labeled for easy identification and distinct from other settings. Its placement emphasizes its role in terminating your current session. Take your time to scroll if the menu is extensive, ensuring you accurately locate this specific command. Identifying Sign Out is essential for proceeding, as it's the direct action that initiates the termination of your active Microsoft Teams session. Once you have confidently located the Sign Out option within the drop-down menu, the next and final action is to simply click on it. This command explicitly tells Microsoft Teams to terminate your current logged-in session. Upon clicking Sign Out, you might briefly see a loading screen, or the application could immediately begin its closing sequence, depending on your system and the Teams version. In some specific scenarios, especially in older versions, you might encounter a confirmation dialog asking if you are sure you wish to sign out. If such a prompt appears, simply confirm your decision to proceed. The primary outcome is that you will be logged out of your account, and the Teams application will either close completely or revert to the initial login screen, ready for a new user or account. After successfully clicking Sign Out and any necessary confirmations, you will find yourself fully logged out of Microsoft Teams. This means your current session has been securely ended, and your workspace, chats, and files are no longer accessible from that specific instance of the application. If you're using a shared device, this action is particularly important as it protects your privacy and prevents unauthorized access to your professional communications. Should you need to access Teams again, you will simply return to the login screen and enter your credentials. Remember, signing out is a quick and effective way to manage your digital footprint, ensuring your Teams activity is contained to your active sessions. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned the straightforward process of signing out of Microsoft Teams.